Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my studio. I just wanted to pop on here real quick in person and wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and that we ought to take time to slow down and enjoy the holiday season, spend time with our families, and be ready to start the new year when it comes around. I've got a lot of ideas for my channel, and hope you'll stick around and like and subscribe, because I've got some really cool ideas that I'm going to niche down, so to speak. So, um, stick around for this video. I have a cute little elf I'm going to draw. So, really simple, easy, fun little thing. So, thanks for joining. Bye. Hey everybody, welcome to this little sketch of a couple little elves that I've made. So I already sketched this one out, and I'm just going over it with a Sharpie and going around my sketch, and then looking for opportunities to make everything I can with a Sharpie. So I'm just, making this a cute little elf, and we're going to paint him in basically like a coloring book. So I'm using three colors: quinacridone red, nickel azo yellow, and green apatite genuine. So right now I'm mixing a skin tone with nickel azo yellow and quinacridone red. So it's a little bit orangey, it's more of a peachy color. So, and I'm making his neck a little darker, putting a little bit more pigment around the edge. So I'm taking the green apatite genuine and the nickel azo yellow and making that a little bit more of a spring green, and going to paint his hat and his bodysuit with that. And then I'm going to take some stronger pigment and just drop it in and blend it out, so to kind of give it a little bit of shadow. And now I'm checking to see if his face is dry, and I'm going to take some brown, mixing the quinacridone red and the green apatite genuine, and making his hair and eyebrows, and putting a little bit of quinacridone red in on his nose, and filling in that fur line and his collar. So, I might go back and give another wash to that fur and hat and collar, just to make it a little bit more vibrant, because once it dried lighter, and I wanted it to be more Christmas red than I did pink. So now I'm taking this Dr. P.H. Martin's, and I'm going to fill in his little eyes there. And I do it kind of messily, but hey, we can go back over it with the Sharpie and tighten those eyes up. So we're just fine. I'm drying those eyes, taking the Sharpie back around and filling in his eyes and making him look a little down and mischievous. So I'm going to take some more white and give him a little sparkle in his eye and some dots on the collar. So he's a cute little elf. So now I'm going to draw another elf, and I'm not going to sketch it out. I'm just going to do it with my paintbrush. I'm going to use the same three colors, and I'm going to change his skin tone just a little bit, make him a little darker. So I am going to take that same mixture of quinacridone red, nickel azo yellow, and add just a touch of green to it, just to get it a little of a darker skin tone. So then I'm going to just loosely, I switched brushes because that other brush was just kind of driving me nuts. So I just went and got my mop brush and thought, I'm just going to make this a loose painting. And so I go about the same process of the hair and the eyebrows, making his ears. And then I go back after it dries and put a little layering on his face just to give it some shadow. Now the hat and the body, little bodysuit, and I just used Green Apatite Genuine this time. I didn't mix any Nickel Azo Yellow in to brighten it up, so I wanted them to be a little bit different. So now I'm going to take that bleed proof white and just go through and make him some eyes, little red cheeks and nose and chin. And now I'm going to take that Sharpie and go through the same process. So just not really paying attention to the lines and just going around and outlining everything and just making it a really cute little elf. Kind of cartoonish, but it's cute. Now I didn't get didn't get things quite right here, but that's okay. So putting him some white dots, and there you go. You got another cute little elf. You got that one and that one.